5.17's Math Moment. Today in 6th grade, students learned about multiplication and division equations. In example 1, it says use the inverse operation to write a related equation and solve for x. So inverse just means the opposite operation. So when I look at this very first example, I've got 8x equals 40. Remember, when the two things are squished together and there's no operation there, it means to multiply. So I know this is actually like saying 8x equals 40. Either way is the same exact equation. Now I need to do the inverse of this, which is going to be the opposite. So I know that the opposite of multiplication is going to be division. So I'm going to take 40 divided by 8. When I take 40 divided by 8, I know that's a fact family, which is going to give me just 5. So in this equation, I think x equals 5. Now, one thing that we really encourage students to do is go back and plug in their numbers. So in this case, I'm going to take my 8x equals 40, and then I'm going to make sure that my x now is going to be my 5. When I look at this problem, is 8 times 5 40? Yes, it is. So my answer 5 is actually correct. Looking at example 2, it says write and solve the equation with each model that it represents. So in this case, we've got 3 x's that we don't know what they are, equal, we have 15 over here. So I know this is 3. I don't know what the value is, but I do know it's going to be an x or a variable, so I'm going to put 3x equals 15. Now after I've made that equation, it's very easy for me to go ahead and solve just like I did above. I'm going to do the inverse operation, which is going to be division. So I'm going to take 15 divided by my 3, which is a fact family again, which is going to be 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So my x is 5 again. If you have any questions about today's lesson, make sure you see your math teacher.